Hey there, fellow techies and phone fanatics. We've all been there. You're scrolling through your favorite social media feed, showing off pictures of your adorable puppy, and bam, you spot it. A thin hairline scratch right across your phone screen. It's enough to make you want to cry. But before you start panicking or emptying your wallet for a costly screen replacement, hold on. There might be a surprisingly simple solution hiding right in your bathroom cabinet: toothpaste. Yeah, you heard that right. The same stuff you use to brighten your pearly whites could also be the key to reviving your phone screen. Intrigued? Let's dive into the science behind this unexpected hack. So, how can toothpaste, a substance designed for teeth, possibly fix a scratched phone screen? The answer lies in its mild abrasive properties. Toothpaste contains tiny abrasive particles that help scrub away plaque and stains from your teeth. These particles are small enough to polish out minor imperfections on smooth surfaces like those pesky scratches on your phone screen. Think of it like using fine grit sandpaper to smooth out a rough edge on a piece of wood. It's all about gently buffing away the imperfection, but don't worry. The abrasives in toothpaste are much gentler, so they won't cause further damage to your screen. Ready to give this DIY hack a try? Awesome! Here's what you'll need to gather before we get started. Toothpaste. Opt for a plain white toothpaste without any fancy gels or whitening agents. A soft, lint-free cloth. Microfiber cloths work best, but a soft cotton cloth will do the trick too. A cotton swab. This will come in handy for precise application. And water. You'll need a small amount for cleaning. Got everything? Great! Now let's move on to the fun part: banishing that scratch. Alright, it's time to put that toothpaste to work. Follow these easy steps to buff away the scratch on your phone screen. First, clean your phone screen. Start by gently wiping down your phone screen with a slightly damp microfiber cloth to remove any dust, fingerprints or smudges. Next, apply the toothpaste. Squeeze a tiny amount of toothpaste, think pea-sized, onto the end of a cotton swab, then gently rub. Apply the toothpaste directly onto the scratch using gentle circular motions. Don't press too hard, as this could potentially worsen the scratch. Now, buff and polish. Continue buffing for about 30 seconds to a minute, adding a tiny drop of water if the toothpaste starts to dry out. Finally, wipe clean. Once you're satisfied with the buffing, use a clean, slightly damp part of the cloth to wipe away any excess toothpaste. And voila! With a little elbow grease and the magic of toothpaste, your phone screen should be looking as good as new. Want to maximize your chances of success with this hack? Here are a few extra tips to keep in mind. Less is more. Start with a tiny amount of toothpaste and gradually add more if needed. Using too much can make it difficult to clean and may not yield better results. Be patient. Don't expect miracles overnight. It might take a few rounds of gentle buffing to see a noticeable difference, especially for deeper scratches. Test on a small area first. If you're unsure about using toothpaste on your screen, test it out on a small, inconspicuous area first to ensure it doesn't cause any damage. While this toothpaste hack can work wonders for minor scratches, it's important to remember that it's not a miracle cure. For deep cracks, extensive damage, or if the scratch is affecting the touch sensitivity of your screen, it's best to seek professional help. Trying to fix these issues yourself could potentially worsen the damage or even void your phone's warranty. So when in doubt, it's always best to err on the side of caution and consult with a qualified technician. There you have it. Armed with this simple yet effective toothpaste hack, you can now tackle those pesky phone screen scratches head-on. Remember, it's all about gentle buffing and a little bit of patience. So go forth and give it a try. And while you're at it, why not share your before and after pictures with us on social media? We'd love to see your sparkling clean screens.